Has any doctor confirmed your belief that something was done wrong? Would you like to learn why I asked that question? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. When I ask you on the telephone in a brief conversation what you think was done wrong and what injury occurred as a result of that, after asking that question, I will often ask, has any doctor confirmed your belief that something was done wrong? Now, why do I ask that? I ask that because oftentimes that is what triggers a phone call to my office. A doctor or nurse or somebody in the hospital will turn to the patient or to the patient's family member and say, I think something was done wrong here. And that's typically what prompts the call to my office to determine whether or not there truly is a valid basis for a case. If a doctor has turned to you and says, listen, I think something may have been done wrong, you may be shocked to hear that from another doctor. Doctors typically do not like to point fingers at another colleague. But if you do happen to have that information, I need to know about it. Why? Because it lends validity to your belief. It lends credibility to what you believe may have done wrong that resulted in significant injury. And that will just get me started on the investigation process. It will now lead me and give me a greater insight and an idea into whether or not you may truly have a valid basis for a case. So why do I tell you this? I tell you this because chances are you have questions and concerns about your particular matter. And what I want you to do at this point is I want you to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions if your matter happened here in the state of New York. And I answer legal questions like yours every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.